Okay, what if you could carry a completely private, totally uncensored version of ChatGPT right in your pocket? I mean, one that doesn't need the internet, has zero monthly fees, and needs absolutely no installation to run on any computer you plug into. Well, guess what? Today, we are building exactly that.
Just imagine for a second, an AI assistant with no restrictions. No corporate guardrails, none of those as a large language model I cannot responses. An AI that answers only to you, for whatever you want to use it for. This isn't some far-off idea. It's what we're creating right now. And the whole thing fits on a keychain.
You know, it really all comes down to one simple thing: control. With those cloud AI services like ChatGPT or Claude, your data is logged, your conversations are censored, and you are completely tethered to an internet connection. But with your own portable AI, everything is private, uncensored, completely offline, and you own it outright.
So here's the big problem we're solving today. Every single time you type a prompt into a mainstream cloud-based AI, that prompt gets logged, tracked, and used by big tech. Your private thoughts, your creative ideas, your business plans, all of it is being fed right into their systems.
And look, the risks here are very, very real. Your entire chat history can be logged, and that could potentially come back to haunt you down the road. Governments and even your own internet service provider can track what you're doing. And for businesses, the average cost of a single data breach is over $4 million. Running your AI locally and offline, well, it just eliminates all of these risks. Now, you might have seen other guides out there on building a portable AI, but here's the little secret they don't tell you. Most of them fail. They promise you portability, but what they really deliver is a complicated mess that keeps you chained to one single machine. Honestly, they're selling a myth. And this, of course, leads to so much frustration. I've seen it in comments over and over again. People follow these really complex guides, and the moment they take their USB drive to a different computer, at the library, at work, a friend's house, it completely fails. It just doesn't work. And why? Because it was never truly portable in the first place.
The culprit is something called a symlink. You can think of it as a fancy command line shortcut. It basically tricks your computer into looking for the AI model files on your USB drive. So yeah, it looks portable, but it's just a clever illusion.
And this really gets to the core of the issue. Because the AI application itself is installed on your home computer, the whole setup only works on that one machine. The USB drive is just holding the data. It's not a self-contained brain. Take it anywhere else, and it's totally useless.
So we're not going to do any of that. Forget symlinks, forget complicated installations. Today, we're building the Zero Trace AI Drive. This is a truly portable, plug-and-play solution that leaves absolutely zero trace on any computer you use it on. And the process is so simple. It's just 4 steps. First, get a fast USB drive. Second, download one tiny portable application file. Third, download the AI model file itself. And fourth, just drag and drop both of those files onto your USB stick. That's it, you're done. All right, let's start building, and we'll begin with the hardware. This is the one place you really can't cut corners. Speed is absolutely everything here. If you try using some cheap old USB stick you found in a drawer, it's just going to be a painfully slow experience.
You need a fast drive. You're going to want a USB 3.2 Gen 2 drive or even a portable SSD. Look for read speeds that are getting close to 1,000 megabytes per second. This is what ensures the AI model can be loaded into your computer's memory super quickly, which gives you those near-instant responses.
Next up is the software. We just need 2 files, the portable application that runs the AI and the AI model itself, the brain. And the best part is, both of these are totally free to download. So let's quickly break down the key technologies that make all this possible. First, we're using something called a portable.exe, like Local LLM Notepad. It's just a single file that runs without any installation at all. Second, the model needs to be in a special GGUF format. And third, and this is important, we want a model that has int4 quantization.
So what on earth is int4 quantization? Well, think of it like a magic compression technique. It shrinks a massive multi-gigabyte AI model down by about 4 times. This allows it to run really efficiently on a totally normal laptop using just its standard system RAM. No expensive gaming GPU required. This right here is the key that unlocks AI for everyone.
Okay, enough talk. Let's see it in action. I'm going to take our newly created Zero Trace drive and plug it into a completely random computer just to show you how powerful and simple this really is.
So here's our test environment, just a standard laptop. And notice the Wi-Fi is completely turned off. There is no internet connection. I also don't have administrator rights on this machine, so I can't install anything even if I wanted to.
Okay, first I'm just going to plug in our zero trace AI drive. The computer recognizes it instantly, just like any other flash drive.
Now I open the drive and I just double-click that one single application file we downloaded earlier. That's it. No setup wizard, no command prompt, just a simple double-click.
And just like that, boom, we're chatting with our own private, offline AI. No installation was required, nothing was written to the host computer's hard drive, it is running entirely from the USB stick.
This is what true digital ownership looks like. You now have an uncensored, untracked, highly intelligent assistant that exists entirely on this tiny little drive. It works on your terms, it follows your rules, and it actually respects your privacy. And when you're done, you just unplug the drive. Poof! It's like the AI was never even there. It leaves 0 files, 0 logs, and 0 trace on the host computer. It is the ultimate tool for digital privacy and freedom.
So all of this brings us to the final and I think the most important question. Now that you have a powerful private AI assistant that fits right in your pocket and answers